Okay, guys, let us get into the course. Starting with the variables. Variables are the one which stores the values in a particular value. In the Python we can easily assign a value to the variable. In a C language or any other language, you need to print all the data type, all int, float, all these things. In Python, there is no need of the printing anything else to be done. First, let us try with the basic. Okay, let's take a variable a, and you need to use the equal to symbol. Okay, if you want to assign the value to you need to assign the value to the variable, you need to use the equal to symbol. It refers to the value which is in the value is going to be assigned to the variable. Okay, let's start. Use is equal to symbol, and write a value like a let's take it number 29. Okay, okay, let's give enter and write a, and again enter. You'll get 29 value. The value 29 is being assigned to the value variable a. Okay, yes. Okay, let us try with some group of variables. Okay, let's take my friend like Bob is going to have a age like around 29 plus 29. Let's take Bob is equal to 29. You let's click Bob now. B-O-B Bob, and it's equal to 29. The Bob value has been assigned to 29. Hope you understood, guys. Let us get into the multiple assigning values. Multiple assigning values are the one, if you have the group of friends, if you want to give them like Bob is equal to 29, again Goku is equal to 30. It takes lots of time, right? To avoid this thing, in Python there is a multi-assigning value. In this we can use this very easily. Let's take Bob, comma, Goku, comma, and Devil. Okay, guys, and you need to assign the value. You need to click the is equal to and click some ages like this: 29, 18, 20. Let's is equal to, let's click now Bob. What do you get? Bob. See, value has been assigned. Again Devil has been assigned. Okay, guys, if your friends have the same age, you can't click like this. You can use this multi-toxing value like Bob is equal to Goku Goku Devil, sorry, like assign age is 19. And if you want to get it, Bob has been given 19. I can test with now Goku, same, it is 19. This is the way you can assign the value to your friends. Again, if you want to get the same name and ages in the same way, you can get it like this. Let's enter now comma and age, click symbol is equal to assign the value. Okay, name is the one which is a string. You need to do it in the double quotations. Write a name Ram. Again end it with the double quotations and put one comma for the age. The age is like 23. Okay, now click enter. Write name, got it Rama, right? And if you want to click age 23. Hope you understood, guys. Let's see. Keep recap to this video is starting with the values. What are the variables we have learned? It is is alphabet which contains some value, right? Here we given an a equal to 29, which stores that value is equal to is equal to is used for the assign a value to the variable, and we have trained some multitasking values and same aging tasking and same variable assigning and using the name and age same time. Okay guys, let's see in the next video. I'm gonna talk about the arithmetic operations. Thank you.